Hello guys and welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to play a game called Sleeping Dogs. It looks similar to Triad Wars. You probably heard of Triad Wars, or you didn't, I don't know. So it has the same map as Triad Wars, but this has the story and all. So I'm this guy, Wei Shen, and I'm not gonna play any missions. I'm just going to mess around with this. So yeah. Okay. So I'll take this energy drink from the fridge, so I can be. It will increase my damage and can be stronger while fighting. So yeah, you may
Every time I go to bed, I hear you too.
you may think it looks like GTA 5 or 4, but you don't have the weapons. Like you know, it's really hard to get any weapons. Come on. Oh. How can I can't even block the attacks. It's so lame I can't block. I think it would be really fun if I kick that officer in the face and I take his gun. But I need to have anything to Oh my god, he has a gun. He has a gun. Oh my god, they're shooting at me. Please, I need to get away. Come on. Come on, take this freaking car, come on! Oh my god, I'm gonna die so hard, come on, run! Oh my god. If they shoot me one more time, I'm dead. Okay, I think I'm a little bit faster than them, so... Oh my god, they have a car. What if I go on the street and they can follow me? Maybe foot here. Okay. Come on, I have a gun. What do you think who you are, huh? Okay. They are getting pretty close actually now. I'm bumping into stuff and that's why they're gonna kill me probably, but now my health is full, so I'll be okay, I think. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Come on! I need to take a vehicle. Or what if I just... Oh my god, I don't have bullets on this gun. I don't know how is that gonna help me. Whoa. Cops are gonna kill me. Oh, come on!
We should just walk away.
Just go. I think I can't run away from them just by running. See there. They bump into to stuff, they're gonna find me and kill me probably because it's more of them and I don't have health. Like I'm not invincible, so I don't know what am I gonna do. I gotta go on the streets. I mean, on the. I need to find the car. If I find the car, it's gonna be really good, but it's gonna be great.
Let's go.
I will get away. I don't know. Is it smart to shoot them now? I think they're gonna be on my tail. I can't kill every one of them, but if they get close, I'm gonna shoot it. But I don't have infinite ammunition, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it. No, did I? Yes, I did. Oh my god, they're shooting at me. They shoot me, I'm gonna shoot back. But I'm gonna make some damage.
Oh dear!
It's kind of hard to shoot in this game. And yeah, this guy is a gangbanger and a cop at the same time. So that's kind of weird.
Hey, buddy.
Come check it out! Let's get out of here!
Nice supple fish. Very fun.
Oh no!
Come on. Let the cops deal with this.
Oh my god, just
No more.
what? I'm just running in circles now. I'm sorry if this is boring kind of, but okay, here is the real thing. I think I don't No, they killed me. Oh my god, why? I had a gun. Oh my god, I will have a gun now, but no. If he could get in that car, in that little car, I'll be right here with a gun in my hand. But no. Okay, I need to kill that officer now. I don't mind if I spend every one of my dollars on these things, but I need a gun. I'll buy it. Oh my god, stop. Don't shoot me in the face. Space. Run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. Come on, get in the car. Yeah. So, I have a gun and I have a car. If I can get away. Kill 2 officers to get this gun. What? How did I die? How did I die? I don't understand this. Oh my god. Ah, god. I think this... This game plays like now 20 minutes long, but I don't care. I'm gonna...
That's a nice
Sounds good.
cut. Can I wrap it for you?
God, yeah.
Thanks, come again.
And I'll never get... But Now, I was completely alive. My screen wasn't red or anything. But no, I gotta be dead. Cool. Okay, I think I'm gonna finish this episode here because I think it's long, you know? Okay, so wait, I need to find a way to kill this guy, and it gotta look brutal. Is he dead? Yeah, he's dead. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this episode here. I hope you enjoyed because it was this video is probably like 20 minutes long, so I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video.